Hello everyone and welcome to this video tutorial of learning Excel in less than 5 minutes. So here today we are going to talk about the average function. So we want to know how to use the average function in order to get some, for example, some idea about the data that we have in the spreadsheet. So here we have a few teams and we want to know what is the average of all the teams combined for each of the months. So we have January, February, March, April, June, and we want to know what is the average of number of goals that were scored in January, February, March, April, and June. So to do that, we need to locate our cell or our mouse below of the column where we have all the data. Then, as you know, probably already from my other videos, you need to use the sign equal in order to start writing a formula. And then the name of the formula is average. So here you have average. Okay, then we open brackets, and here we can enter manually the numbers, or we can select a range of numbers. So in this case, we can select January, and then we close brackets, we press enter, and then we get the data. I have here a random formula, so that's why the values are changing. So let me make them fixed, and now the values will not change anymore. So here we have the average number of goals in January, so 67 goals, 67.3. And then another trick I wanted to show you. So here we have, here we have this value that is the average goals of January, and then we have two options in order to get the average for February and the other months. Either we can write the formula again as we saw, like equal average and then select the range, or we can also take the formula that we have entered here, and you see this icon, this green icon on the right side corner below. This means that we can drop this cell to the other adjacent cells, and then this will calculate the average automatically for the other cells. So how this drag and drop works is, you see you have the average for this column. So if you drag to the side, then the average, what is inside of the average formula, will be changed to the column where you are changing them, when you are where you are taking the selection. So in this case, if I move to the right, I am taking this to C. So what is inside of the brackets will change from B to C. So here you see, now automatically the formula has selected the data in the column C. So we get the average number of calls in February. You can do that toward the right, but you can also do that below. So when you drag and drop below, you will get the average from this column, but then it's moving the values one down. So you see now it's starting from C3. So it's locking the number of cells that you have selected. In this case, it was all of the range, but because we move one down, then the number of cells selected is the same, only that it starts one cell down. That's why we are only selecting these values here. Okay. So that's everything. I will show you more about drag and drop in some of the other videos that I am going to create, but I just wanted to show you about the average formula, so I think that's clear now to you. So we can also calculate the average number of goals for all the teams and all the months. So in this case, what we can do is we can select everything, we put it inside of the formula, we click enter, and 66 is the average number of goals for all teams and all the months. So that's everything for this video. Hope this is clear. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. I will be adding more videos on how to learn Excel in less than 5 minutes. Thank you.